Intercepts. I'm starting the lesson now. I am recording. Okay. Have you found X and Y intercepts before with Mrs. Sicking or in a previous school?
Probably, but I don't think so.
Okay. So let's say, I want everybody to sketch this. Just sketching in your notebook does not have to be perfect. All right. I've got 4 points here, and I need a volunteer. All right, let's go with Eli. Eli, can you make up 4 points for me? Just make them up. I mean, they need to be on this line, but I don't mind how far or close you are.
So they all have to be, all the x's have to be 0.
Yeah.
So
Well, not the x's, actually.
y's?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So the first x will be, what, -10.
Okay.
Then -5.
Okay.
And then we got 2.
2,
and
0.
Yeah. And then we got 11, 0.
Does that make sense to you why the y has to be 0?
Yeah.
'Kay.
Because
Go ahead.
It's equal up and down, not.
Right. So it's really just the x that's changing, right? These are all x intercepts. And what do you notice about all of them, Eli?
They're all on the same y.
Right, they're all on 0 for y, so the y is 0 for an x-intercept. Eli, what kind of prize would you like?
The tattoo.
Okay. All right, let's see if I can get this slightly warm but not boiling. All right, next up, let's go the other way. What are these called, do you guys think? These are y-intercepts here.
Oh, both.
Okay, who wants to name those points for me? Connor.
Alright, the first top 2 is going to be 10 and 0. Second one's going to be 8 and 0.
Well, hold on. 10 is the x point.
Oh, yeah. So it's going to be 0 and then 10.
Oh, okay, 0 and then 10.
Yep, 0, 8.
Okay.
And then down below that, we're going to have, I'm going to say 0 and -2 for the first one.
Okay.
Second one, 0 and -4.
Okay. And those are all y-intercepts. And x is 0 for a y-intercept. So the y-intercepts are the ones that are going up and down here, and the x-intercepts are there. And notice how it is 0 for the opposite one, no matter what. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try some examples to see if we can do this. So, can somebody tell me, raise their hand and tell me, all right, I want to know what the x and the y-intercept are of this graph. Raise your hand if you have an idea. I'll give a prize for this. 1. If you've already gotten a prize, please keep your hand down. So you're 1, right?
No.
You already won? Oh, you already won. Colin, 1, 2, 3.
We always have these problems on our start test.
I never know.
1,
I never know what to do.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Well, like, I remember at St. John's. One?
So what'd you get? What do you want?
Go with that.
You want a tattoo? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Colin. All right, Colin, first of all, can you tell me the x-intercept? Guys, everybody needs to be doing this in your head, because if you don't practice, you will mess up.
3, 0.
Good. Nobody, hey, everybody, you may not say just 3. Don't boil your kids. Okay. Sorry. Just trying not to, like, burn you later. Forgot about that.
Oh.
Oh, it's fine. Who cares about that? Nobody cares.
It'll be like brandy.
Okay,
Yeah, it'll stay on purpose.
so Colin said that the x-intercept of this one is 3, 0, and that is correct. Okay? But you may not just say 3. You need to say 3, 0, because I want you guys to get used to the idea that an x-intercept is a point, and that the y is always 0. Colin, what's the y-intercept of this?
0, 6.
0, 6. Everybody understand? Yes. Beautiful. What kind of fries would you like?
I want that nice Holstein hammer up
You
there.
take it. All right. Now, this one we're going to try something a little different. This one's about the gym. Not only is the next person who wins a prize going to tell me about what the x-intercepts are, they have to tell me what they mean in this situation. Do you know what occupancy means?
It's like how
No. Yep.
It's like how
Yeah.
many people are in here.
How many
right?
people
Right,
are in it?
yeah.
Occupancy. Have you ever seen that by like an elevator? It's like maximum occupancy, 10 people or
like
something.
a pool
Or like a
stuff.
certain weight. So here, with the people, and then here is time, hours. So I need somebody to tell me the y-intercept and the x-intercept, and I need somebody to tell me what it means. Okay? All right, who's up? Hands up. Emily, go for it. I agree. 0, 20 is the y-intercept. 12, 0. All right, what does the 0, 21 mean in terms of the situation? Colin, stop talking. Right. What does that mean, though? 20 what? When? 20 people when? Right. So when the gym opened, it looked like there were 20 people already ready to go in, right? All right. What about the other one? And what time did the gym close? After 12 hours. Yeah, whatever. There were 0 people in the gym at 12 hours. Beautiful job. Emily, what would you like for prize? Okay. All right, only one more question. You guys ready for it?
Yeah.
All right, this one. Oh, actually, I'm going to do that tomorrow. All right, so the homework, if you want to get a head start, you will have time to work on this in class tomorrow, is page, you might as well write it down, page 175, numbers 1 through 13. Tomorrow for the warm-up, we will try a similar problem. Here's a question really quick. Everybody look up. Does number 9 have a y-intercept?
No. Yes.
Sure does. What's the y-intercept?
Negative 3, 0.
No.
0, negative 3.
Yeah.
0, negative 3. The x comes first, the y comes second. 0, negative 3. Is there an x-intercept in this one?
No.
No. So you can say none, as in like there isn't one, but you can't, but in that situation, you would never say that the x-intercept is 0. Because 0 is a number, right? None is not. All right. Let's see how hot this water is.
Wait, so you could put 0, 0, or we can just say none?
No, you would not say 0, 0 because 0, 0 is a point. You would just say the word none. You don't want to use the number 0. Okay. All right. So you are welcome to work on that tonight, but you will have some time in class tomorrow. See, we got Noah, Tyler, Riley, Sawyer. Oh, let me stop my recording.
I'm getting mine on my